During the Great Depression of the 1930s, the consumption of spinach increased rapidly. This was mainly in part due to the popularity of Popeye, and there is a statue attributed to him in Crystal City, Texas, which is now reported to be the spinach capital of the world. Its origin is thought to have come from Persia, and it had spread to China and Nepal by 647 AD and into the Mediterranean area by 827 AD. It then became popular in Central Europe as it spread from Spain, which was under the occupation of the Moors at that time, and today it's worldwide. This popular low-calorie veg can be eaten cooked or raw, but drinking the juice remaining after cooking it is a good way to gain the full benefits from the iron it contains. It's also great for mixing with other green veggies in a juice, as it contains beta-carotene, folic acid, potassium, vitamin K, vitamin A, and vitamin C, as well as iron. Studies have shown that it can help with anemia, and it's good for keeping our bones and cartilage strong, as well as our eyesight and our hair, helping to prevent hair loss. It moderates our blood pressure levels, making it beneficial for the heart, for the kidneys, for the lungs, and also to prevent the formation of cancer cells. There are hundreds of great healthy recipes available to make with spinach, including salads, smoothies, pasta dishes, and casseroles. It's good for weight loss, wilting quickly when cooked with other healthy ingredients, and is an inexpensive way to get a good dose of daily vitamins and boost our immune systems, proving that Popeye was absolutely right.